This will be the healthiest swallow recipe you will ever find on the internet. And no, this is not your regular fufu or swallow. This is a healthy, colorful and nutrient-packed swallow that tastes absolutely amazing. So stop scrolling, let me show you how to make it. So I'll be making use of oats. You can use any oats of your choice, but I'm making use of this one you're seeing on the video. I will also be using 4 medium-sized unripe plantain, and then finally beetroot. That's the secret to the color and other nutrients. So first of all, I'll start by peeling off the back of the plantain and also peel the beetroot. And please, if you know any hack to achieve easier and faster peeling of this plantain, please do let me know in the comment section, because peeling this is always stressful for me. So after peeling, I'll wash them, and this is what we have. So next, I'll be cutting them into tiny chunks for easy blending. You wouldn't want to spoil your blender, so I'll cut and set aside. This swallow is filled with healthy ingredients, and if you are a lover of swallow, you will surely love this one, trust me. My family enjoys this every time I make it, and in fact, anytime I want to make this swallow, I make sure I make more than enough, because I want to eat and eat and eat till my stomach says eat no more. After cutting, I'll transfer some into my blender, parts of both the plantain and the beetroot. Then I'll also add half of the oats, and then add enough water, but not too much, just to enable easy blending. And then I'll start blending. And the beautiful color is already giving me joy. Hello my loves, and welcome to Faithy's Spot. And on this channel we share delicious, amazing and healthy homemade recipes. So feel free to like this video, and of course after watching it till the end. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, just take a second and click on the subscribe button for more amazing recipes. So I'll be blending this in 2 batches because my blender can't carry all at a time. So if you have a very strong blender or your blender is very big, you can blend all at a time. So I'll be blending mine in 2 batches for easy blending. So after blending, I'll transfer the paste into my pot and set it on the stove. Please don't forget to turn down the light to medium-low heat so it doesn't start burning immediately. And when the pot starts to heat up, that's when you start stirring it. And you need to keep stirring it at intervals to avoid it having lumps. If I tell you how delicious this swallow is, you probably won't believe me until you try it out. It's not just delicious but very healthy as well. Keep stirring it at intervals to avoid it having lumps or to avoid it getting burnt from under before it finally cooks. So at this point, I will cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes, and after some minutes I will turn it again, just like you turn other swallows. And by now, if the consistency you are getting is too strong, you can add a bit of water and allow it to cook for some minutes again. But if the consistency is a bit watery for you, we can add a little oat flour to thicken it to the consistency you want, just like you see me do in the video. So be mindful of the quantity of water you add when blending your ingredients from the beginning to avoid it being too watery. And I love the consistency I got after adding a bit of oat flour. Our swallow is ready. You can make this for your family and you will surely enjoy it, trust me. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like this video after watching and drop us a meaningful comment in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Welcome to Faithy's Pot and More. where every meal is made with love. Healthy flavors, tasty vibes. Come and cook with us tonight. In the kitchen, smells so nice. Every recipe full of spice.